Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bennie Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I'm back with another inspirational slash tutorial video for you guys. I was recently asked by a subscriber on how to add session indicators to the mobile version of MT4 and MT5. Well, I want to make sure I let you guys know that the mobile versions, we can't actually add the traditional indicators that we would typically add on the desktop version, whether that's Windows or Mac. All right. So, but what we can add are um, the more so functional, if you will, basic functional indicators like your oscillators and your moving averages, your trend indicators, so on and so forth. But any type of specialized indicators, you can't actually add to the mobile. But in regards to Miss Lisa Renee, I believe that's who that was. She asked about sessions. So what I'm thinking she's talking about is the period separator. So Miss Lisa, if you're watching this, and hopefully you are, please comment and let me know if you're talking about something different. But in order to do that on MT4, and this is a demo account because I don't want to share my real account number. What you're going to do is go into settings, and you can just simply click on the 3-bar menu to the left top of the screen, all right, for MT4. And you're going to go right here to settings, okay? And then you're going to scroll down to show period separators, all right? And so we're going to check that, and then we'll go back over to our chart. And now you see the white dotted vertical lines, and so this actually will separate the session or the day, and that's really based on the time frame that you're using. So really anything from a 1-minute chart, okay, the 1-minute chart, all the way to the 1-hour chart, okay. In between the vertical lines, it's going to be 1 day. So as we go up to M5, you see we don't have to scroll left or right as much, and that's 1 day. All right, that's 1 day worth of session. And the 15-minute chart, that's 1 day in between the two vertical lines. And let's keep going. 30-minute chart, that's 1 day. The 1-hour chart, that's 1 day. Okay, now when you start going into the 4-hour chart, okay, the bars or the candles in between the two vertical lines are actually 1 week. Okay, so the 4-hour shows 1 week. Okay, and the daily itself, as you see here, March 2nd, 2020, and it will end March 31st, 2020. Okay, so obviously that gives us 1 whole month. Okay, when we go into the weekly chart, we should be start to get into the years. So the time in between the two indicators there. So we start here, January 6, 2019, and you end here to December 29th, 2019. Okay, so that confirmed that that shows us a 1 year's worth of candles. Okay, and we go into the monthly, that should be a year as well. So if we start here, that shows us January 1st, 2019, and this should show us December 1st, 2019. All right, so that's 1 year. So this is how you add the period separators, or some people call them session separators. Okay, and just know again that when you choose the the 1 minute chart all the way up to the 1 hour chart. That's going to give you a whole day. The 4 hour chart is going to show you a whole week. The daily chart is going to show you a whole month, and the weekly and monthly chart will show you a whole year. Now, if we wanted to go over to MetaTrader 5, all right, if you actually click the menu and you go into settings, you're going to see that you don't have that option here. Now, the way you do it on MetaTrader 5 is to actually be on the chart, click anywhere on your chart, your dial is going to come up, okay, and you're going to select this cog wheel is what I call it, all right. And once you, if I actually select it, once you select the cog wheel, now you'll see your option here for show period separators, okay. And so you just want to make sure that that is checked, okay. And we'll go back to our chart, and now you see the black vertical dotted lines, okay, and it's doing the same thing. So if you go to the M1 chart or the 1 minute chart, okay, that's going to show you an entire day, okay, which is just going to take you longer to scroll because now you're talking about 24 hours worth of 1 minute. So you guys do that math. I don't know. I don't feel like working, and I know it's probably simple, but again, it's all the same. When you go up to the M5, that's 1 day. M15, 1 day. M30, 1 day. H1, 1 day. H4 is going to give us, start showing us a week in between the two vertical lines, okay. The daily chart is going to show us a whole month, and it's actually not showing on the daily. Here, let's see if maybe that was something that I did. And yep, so it's not showing with the MetaTrader 5. Let's see on the weekly processing chart data. Yeah, it doesn't show for the MetaTrader 5. So you can go all the way up to the H4 from MetaTrader 5 to actually separate and show those sessions. All right, and again, you simply do that by going into settings off of the dial by clicking the chart, or pressing the chart, pressing the cog wheel, and selecting the show period separators, okay. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me. That is how you add or how you show the sessions in the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 apps. Miss Lisa Renee, I hope that this answered your question. If not, please make sure you comment, and I'll do my best to get you the correct answer. All right, guys, you know, I just love to do these videos for you guys. So if you have not done so, you can support me for free by simply just subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Like the video or dislike the video. Comment on the video. Let me know why you liked it, why you didn't like it, or let's just start a whole nother conversation about Forex, of course. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. If you want to join the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, where I teach you profitable and sustainable ways to trade the Forex market, then head over to the teachmetofishfx.com. The link should be in the description, and you can sign up on any one of the levels to receive your training. And I hope you guys are staying safe during this coronavirus pandemic. So many of us, many of you, I have been doing this for a while now. You're having to work from home now, start some businesses, supplement your income. And I want to let you know that Forex is a really, really good option for you. I'm not saying it's the end all be all, but it is a really, really good option for you. Even though the stock market is somewhat crashing, and you know, people are losing value in their stock, the Forex market is still going well, okay. With ECN brokers, you can trade whether the market is going up or going down. It's going to take a whole lot longer for a country to go out of business than a corporation, because you guys know how businesses are and corporations are. They're here today, gone tomorrow, and they have taken your stock with them. All right, but for a country, let's say if the United States does happen to economy happens to fall, um, then you can still trade the African rand. You can still trade the Mexican peso. You can still trade the Canadian dollar, the Japanese yen. You can still trade the whatever. Okay, you can still trade it. If one currency is losing its value, then another currency is gaining in value. And so Forex, foreign exchange, is going to always win. Trust me. So that's going to be it for me, guys. You guys are seeing all my notifications. But anyway, that's going to be it for me, guys. As always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.